Had a thought. It's late. It's about AI, and I think it's super important. And the topic of self aware systems. In the workplace today, you have a QA team, right? You have triage, then you have postmortems. Whenever you develop and you build something, then maybe you have other SOPs in between in order to get something off the ground. The bigger the company, probably the more logic you have. The smaller the company, probably some sort of SOP of some sort, right? But I've been thinking about what it means to build a system that's just not automated or what we're calling like a true agent. So think like a chat bot, not this beta testing noise stuff. Talking like a real reactive platform or system that uses AI, natural language of some sort, an LLM, to make a decision on its own in order to provide some sort of output as if it were a person or a human. And so when I think about that, right, I have several questions that I want to ask myself when I'm building this agent, because it's not about the magic that it can do for us, right? There's a lot of magic that it can do. It's about thinking, testing, and continuous learning and or integration, right? It's thinking about failing fast in design. It's thinking about self-healing. And so some questions, and I'm going to read it. How do I structure prompts and pipelines for resilience? I think that's a great line that you might want to put into whatever you're developing. So say you're working with Cursor or Flow, maybe you can have that as a guardrail for a question. And then, hey, also I want you to think about what it means to fail fast, right? Are we thinking about any tools to build feedback loops into our system? And then the last one, as we're thinking about what this means for the tech stack we're building together today, and it's collaborating back with me, what can we do so that the code isn't running blindly, right? And so as we're building or we're scaling these tools and AI is a major part of it, let's make sure that we're asking ourselves these questions and we're asking the platform to think through that with us. So we're building smartly and still building fast and still building quick or vibe coding or whatever it might be. Had those thoughts, right? Self-aware systems. It's a real thing. Anyways, good night. Peace and love. Happy Tuesday.